The tragic, unprovoked attacks unfolding in Ukraine are distressing. The devastation of many lives and the resulting humanitarian crisis is too painful to watch. We want to express our solidarity to our Ukrainian colleagues and hope best for the safety of their loved ones. It is encouraging to see that forcibly displaced people of Ukraine are getting support from the entire world. We can do many things to support Ukrainians right now. Make donations to organizations that can provide food, shelter, and other much needed resources. Thank you for your continued support.